In 2025, Nourify Heightener Gummies have sparked debate over their effectiveness and legitimacy. Marketed as a natural supplement that supports height growth, particularly for teens and young adults, the gummies claim to enhance bone development and stimulate growth hormones. However, there is little to no scientific evidence backing these claims, especially for adults whose growth plates have already fused. Many users report seeing no noticeable results even after consistent use, leading to frustration and skepticism. Furthermore, there is limited transparency about the ingredients used and no mention of clinical trials or endorsements from credible health professionals. While the product has not been flagged as a scam in terms of payment fraud or unsafe ingredients, the marketing is considered misleading by many due to exaggerated promises. Overall, Nourify Heightener gummies appear to be legally safe but scientifically unproven, making them a questionable investment for anyone seriously looking to increase their height.